Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photopad tutorial how to remove background. So as example, I will open the image or photo. And then if you want to remove the background, you can go to menu, tools, and then click on delete background. So it will be delete the backgrounds. And then if you want to erase the blue color in here, you can use the erase background tools. You can set for brush size, brush hardness, and brush strength. And select like this, erase, and you also can decrease for the brush size and tracking the blue color like this. You also can set for the brush hardness, make it more smooth, clear the blue color. Okay, you can zoom out, and then you can erase again in another area like this. If you want to restore, you can click this restore background, and it will be show the restore area, and then this is for the erase background. Okay, that's it for basic Photopad tutorial how to remove background. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.